Hello everyone, I am Hemant and in this video I am going to explain about Git Rebase. So first I will explain what you mean by Git Rebase, and after that I will go through one practical example in my laptop. So first we will see the definition of Git Rebase. So Git Rebase is the clean timeline tool. It's like rewriting the history of your project, so it's look like a single and straight line instead of merging branches and creating messy spiderweb of lines. Previous lifts your work and places it on top of the very late updates from your team. It's like moving your house onto brand new stronger foundation without changing the house itself. I think it's definition. So I will explain this definition with a very simple example. So first we need to understand why we use Git Rebase and Git merge. So most of the time when we are working on any repos, so we work individually. So for that we will create one separate branch. So here the default branch is different, and the you have created another branch, so you are currently you are working on that branch, and after completing your work you need to merge the default branch and as well as your future branch also. So for that in Git we have two methods. So the first one is Git merge and the second one is Git rebase. So as compared to Git merge, the Git rebase is good in terms of readability of commits, logs and all. So for that I will create one file. So I will explain this Git rebase with the help of one example. So here I have already created one repository in my laptop. So first yeah so first I will create one file inside my default branch, so that is main branch. So first I will create co that is a base, okay, that is base md, okay, and after that I will add this git commit step 1, that is base. Okay, so as of now I have created one file inside the default branch, so that is main. So after that I will switch into my future branch. So for that I will write git switch -c bit. Okay, so here bit means future branch, so that was a branch name. Okay, so now it's switched to so now it's switched to that branch. So now I will create some file here also, echo future work you just bit md bit md git md git commit. This is step 3. So I will explain why I have written this is as a step 3. Future, future. So first I created one file in my default branch, and after that I switch to my future branch. I have created another file, and at the same time, just imagine, at the same time someone added some other file to my default branch. Okay, so that's why I am moving back to my default branch. So git switch main. Okay, so now I am back to my default branch, so that is main. Okay, so now I will create another file here. Okay, echo base md hemant md. Okay, just write hemant. I will give name it as a hemant md, and I will add this hemant md with the md. Commit step 2, adding hemant. Okay, adding hemant. So as of now I will go back to my future branch, so that is git switch df. Okay, and here I will search. So as of now I am in my default branch. Okay, oh sorry git. Sorry, I think instead of going to my other branch I went to some wrong branch. Okay, sorry for that. Git switch bit. Okay, so currently I am in my bit branch, so I will check by writing git branch. Yeah, so I'm in bit branch. So now I will see the commit id. Okay, so that is git log online. See here, step 3. So that is this is future. So currently we are in that future branch, but here step 2 is missing. So that means the code inside the main branch is one step ahead of this branch. So to solve this, we need to write git rebase main. After that I will write same git log -1 line. After that you will see that step 2. Yeah, here the step 2 is missing, and here the step 2 is available. So when I write git rebase main, so it merged from the code in my default branch and the code inside my future branch. So this is all about git rebase. Thank you.